Nothing. Cast your net to the other side, to the right side. Take up more to the right side, not to the left side. What's the difference between right and left? Righteousness. Do things that should be right. Cast your net there. Not to the things that hinder you from coming closer to God. Do the right. Even if people will criticize you, even if all your fans will say you're the only one who does this. No. Continue. Persist. So he throws the net. And then, wow, lots of fish and big ones too. They couldn't drag the nets. But even if, as it's told here, even if there were lots of fish, the net was not torn. And who recognized Jesus? Who? John. And what did he say? It is the Lord. In Latin it is Dominus est. We have this election of the Pope now, right? Don't you know that the motto of Cardinal Tagle is this one? It is the Lord. Dominus est. Let's not think that our Pope will be him. It's okay if not him too. But anyways, I'll just fancy to say, it is the Lord. So when you do your best and you have the best success, it is the Lord. When you bring people to the church, it is the Lord, not me. So recognize His presence always. It is the Lord. Dominus est. No success. And maybe Cardinal's success also in many things. It is because he always recognizes the presence of God. So it is the Lord. And then Jesus says, let's eat breakfast. What does it mean? Go back to the ordinary. Where do you find God? Not in extraordinary miracles. You can always find God when you cook your breakfast, when you cook your lunch, when you walk, when you talk. It's where they can find Jesus, not in powerful things and events. And then, I like this so much. After they eat breakfast, Jesus talked to Peter. Not as Peter, remember, the Camerlengo or the Mayordomo strikes the head of the forehead of the Pope and calls him by name, not the name as Pope, but his name. Mario. Okay. Mario, really strong. Not respect who's there. Anyway, but if the Pope doesn't respond, it means the dead Pope is dead. Then he gets. So that's how it is. Maybe this time, Jesus is awakening Peter, Simon, son of John, Simon, anak ni Juan, Simon, we one is indeed. Simon, son of John, do you love me? In Greek, this word is as two conjugations. The first two, Jesus asked, Simon, will you know you want this? Phileis me twice. On the third question, the Lord asks Peter, not anymore by Phileis me, Philia, right? He asked the highest kind of love. Agapos me. You know agape, right? Agapos me. In Filipino, we have a word for that. Simon, anak ni Juan, iniibig mo ba ako? Twice. And the third is, mahal mo ba ako? The word agapos is, do you really put me as special? And Peter, because he denied Jesus 3 times, he was hurt, almost crying really. He said, no, deep in my heart I love you. And what's the next? After asking, he says, be my, but he asked first, do you love me more than this? This is the same question, we have this conflict now. The same question as to be asked of the Pope, the future Pope. Do you love me more than these? Love me more. I do. And then, if you answer yes, eat my sheep. Not your sheep, my sheep. That's the reason why we read as well. But the question of Jesus to Peter or to the Pope is also the same question asked of us. Do you love me? And then will you answer? Yes, Lord, I love you. Eat my sheep. You know what it means? Never quit. Never get lazy. When you feel lazy and you don't like to rise and go to the church, rise up. Perhaps you will remember the Pope. He was dying and he still went to the balcony and greeted the people. There is no such thing as I am tired. It is for the Lord. Never word, Lord, I will see, I will stop doing good because I'm always abused. No, he thinks that we're doing good until the end of our lives. That's the example of Pope Francis. Beautiful, right? Never get tired when it is for the Lord. Times the word is loading, like sweeping. Sometimes the word is high, like leading. Sometimes you just have to blow this candle off. Very simple. Sometimes complicated. Sometimes it requires us to sacrifice something. What do you sacrifice today? Maybe you're munching your bubble gum today. That like to go. And then after the Mass, during communion, you will put out your bubble gum and put it in. After the Mass, you take it back. But sometimes you forget your bubble gum. And you will see the sacristan mayor. Would you expect that he will put it into his mouth? But then he will say to Jesus, Jesus, I love you. I will sacrifice. I will not take anything to eat 1 hour before the Mass. Because I love you. You go to Mass because I love you, Jesus. No more. Don't do things because you're really with Amabel and Elisa. Or doing it for me. If you do that for us, nothing. If you do that for Jesus, everything is good. Beautiful afternoon, everyone. And may I ask once again, do you love Jesus? Yes. Do you love Jesus? Yes. Do you love Jesus? Yes. And Jesus says, be my sheep. God bless you all.
Saan ang salamin? Ay, salamin! salamin. Asa na?
Ada one GD.
Kuya, asa na salamin ko dito?
Salamin, tumingin ka.
Okay na yan.
Ay, mas maganda yan. Tingnan mo. Oo, mas maganda yan. Oo, maganda yan.
Ay, asan ba? Ba't ba siya ang mukha mo yung Ito, tingnan mo.
Maganda yan.
Mas maganda to. Gusto mo to?
Oo, mas maganda yan. Mas maganda yan.
How much this one?
5GD. 5GD nga eh.
Five.
Doon no.
لا يا ابني من هذا هذا من اصلا لا يا
Wala kang kabina. Ito lang ang hawakan niyo. Ay, maganda ba ito? Hindi. Ano lang? Magandang kulay.
May hawak ka naman yan siya mataas. May sling yan. Tapos tatlo yung zipper. Maganda yan. Hindi man na nakawan.
Mayroon pong tatlong seater. Tapos,
Oo.
ano nito? Ito, pwede mo siyang...
لا لا
Where's from this one?
تسليم
Oo.
اوكي وانا سبوز
Kano dito?
هذا one
Tayo. May tali isang ganito. Five, this one.
اعطيني خمسه
Basta yun.
وين من دكتور حسين
Wala ka din, kumuha ka din. Ito na lang ha, yan na lang, yun na lang yun. Ito. So, tatanggalin lang lahat ng basura.
معلم
Lamay ko muna sa